on my face, but you didn't wait for that. I was on the run for so long, and you came for me. Though I told you leave me alone, you still stayed with me. You showed grace to me, and now that I'm face to face with you, I'm so in love with you. I'm captivated with you. Now that I'm captured, now that I'm captured, now that I'm captured.
Lord, I was almost dead, cause I felt trapped. Some nights I would ride and just wanna snap, but I was chasing sin, thought it would lift me up. Seemed like my only hope to get me out my rut. And part of me hated everything I was doing. See, I was terrified, thought my life would be ruined, but I was so addicted, felt like I couldn't quit. Jesus, come take me now, cause I am sick of this. And yes, he heard my prayer and ran to my aid. Then the tears started to flow, cause I was so afraid to embrace change, help my unbelief. And that's just what he did, and gave my soul peace.